In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account in Odoo. Whether you're a business owner looking to streamline your financial processes or a newcomer to this platform, understanding the procedure to add a bank account is essential. Let's get started right on the Odoo website. Navigate to their homepage using your web browser. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is sign into your account. Use your existing credentials to access your account dashboard. If you're new and don't have an account yet, be sure to set one up to proceed with this guide. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself at the Odoo dashboard, which acts as your home base for accessing various tools and features. From this dashboard, you want to look for and click on the option labeled Accounting. This step is crucial as it directly links you to all the financial features available in Odoo. Once you've clicked Accounting, a whole slew of options related to financial management becomes available to you. Now look for a section under the label Bank. You'll see an option that says Search over 26,000 banks. This is the portal where you'll find the right bank to connect to your Odoo account. To make it easier, there's a handy search bar you can utilize. Simply type the name of the bank you wish to add and it should appear in the results. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can manually scroll through the list to locate your bank of choice. This might take a bit longer, but allows you to browse through all available options. Once you've identified your desired bank, click on it. Here comes the next decision point. You'll need to specify the type of bank account you're connecting. Odoo provides different options such as business, personal, or corporate. Choose the one that aligns with how you intend to use this account. Once you've selected the type of account, the process continues with connecting via Plaid. You'll find an option labeled Connect, which will prompt you to either sign in or sign up with Plaid, a bridge service that facilitates secure banking connections. If you already have a Plaid account, simply sign in. If not, you'll need to create one. Finally, follow the prompts to link your account, including adding your bank credentials. And with that final step, your bank should now be successfully linked to your Odoo account. The connection through Plaid ensures that your financial data is secured and accurately reflected in your Odoo dashboard, making financial management much smoother and more efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helped you integrate your bank account with Odoo seamlessly. Enjoy managing your finances in one place with ease.